Gainer LED has focused on LED component distribution for 14 years. This OSRAM SFH309 FA phototransistor delivers stable 900 nanometers infrared sensing with wide temperature and strong anti-interference performance. JDSTS2.EM LED chip features low thermal resistance and consistent brightness for mass-volume lighting projects. 40WS Gen2 high-focus high-power white LED chip. XLamp XP E2 upgraded high-power LED for easy XP replacement. WS281-B2020 V6 upgraded Worldsemi addressable RGB LED with flexible wiring. Nichia V5 version 3030 LED with high efficiency and tight color sorting. For more products, please contact Gainer LED.